Standard 3rd English Chapter 2 Part 2. Topic is the yellow butterfly and subtopic is spider's web. Hello children, welcome back in Sonu's garden and let's see what happened to the yellow butterfly. In my previous video, you all learnt the beautiful yellow butterfly flew away in Sonu's garden, right? And Sonu tried to catch it. But first, butterfly sat on the red rose, then flew away. Again sat on the leaf of white house in the pond, then also flew away. Then sat on the pink pretty flowers of the peach tree. From there also flew away. Sonu chased it but can't catch it. So now see what happened next with Sonu and butterfly. Sonu tried to find the butterfly but he could not see it at all. He looked everywhere. At last he saw the butterfly. In my previous video, till here you understood, but now you will get to know what happened next with the yellow butterfly. Sonu tried to find the butterfly, but where was the butterfly? Do you know, children? You know, you can say this very big spider web, right? This is a spider's web. Spider's web means a house of spider. Okay? So, when Sonu tried to catch the butterfly was caught in the spider's web. And you know where is this spider's web? It is in the peach tree where Sonu climbed and butterfly also there. From there butterfly flew down. Sonu also come down. Over there in that tree there is a big spider's web, and in that spider's web this yellow butterfly caught. The butterfly tried to come out but he cannot. Why? Because the spider's web is very big and butterfly is very small and delicate. Butterfly wanted to come out but it cannot come out. So it was very sad. Definitely butterfly wants to fly, and if it caught in spider's web and it cannot come out, definitely butterfly will be sad. Am I right? So it tried again and again to escape. Butterfly tried so many times to escape itself, but it was unable to come out. It started to flutter its wings. Means it started to flutter its wings. It tried a lot. It twisted and turned its wings, but it could not escape. Butterfly tried so much, but it could not come out from the spider's web because spider's web held it very tightly. Understood? Spider's web held to butterfly very tightly. So butterfly cannot come out from the spider's web. Poor butterfly, it can't come out. Do you know, children? In the middle of the web, it was a very big spider, you can see. Yes, see, so big spider. This big spider was very hungry and it wants to eat this black. It wants to eat this yellow butterfly. So slowly it come near the butterfly and tried to catch the butterfly. The black spider crawled slowly, came closer and closer to the butterfly because the butterfly was very good and the black spider was very bad and hungry, and it wants to eat butterfly. But when the black hungry spider could grab it, means could catch the butterfly, suddenly what happened, you know children? Sonu ran and he caught the butterfly. Before black spider catch the butterfly, Sonu ran and caught the butterfly. Like this way, Sonu saved to the butterfly from the black hungry spider. Then Sonu saw the butterfly very closely because Sonu liked butterfly. So he tried to see him very closely. He wants to catch, he wants to see the butterfly. The yellow butterfly was so pretty. It had brown spots on its yellow wings. You know, butterfly is yellow and it has yellow wings. So on that wings there are brown spots on it. Sonu loved the little butterfly, but when Sonu saw the butterfly was sad. Why? Because butterfly don't want to catch in Sonu's hand also. Butterfly wants to fly and butterfly wants to sit in different roses. So butterfly wants to fly. That's why butterfly was very sad. He don't want to catch in Sonu's hand. He was very sad. Sonu also wanted to make butterfly very happy. Sonu don't want to catch him for permanently. So Sonu also want that butterfly should be happy. Sonu said, "Go, fly away." Means Sonu freed the butterfly. Sonu said that you can fly, you can go, you can live your life. You can sit on each and every flowers. You can fly anywhere. Okay. So Sonu fly away the butterfly from his hands because Sonu wanted to become happy. If then butterfly flew merrily, happily from flower to flower, and once again butterfly flew happily in Sonu's garden like before. Okay, in starting also the yellow butterfly was flying in the Sonu's garden, and at the end of the story also butterfly was flying in the Sonu's garden very happily and very merrily. So children understood this story. So moral of the story is never catch the birds, animals or insects for our fun. Sometimes we are keeping pets, so no need to keep animals, birds or insects at home, or you can't catch them. Let them live in their lives so they can be more happy. See some new words downside: escape, pond, peach, climb, catch, middle, hungry, float, shout, chase, flutter, twist. Now you are happy to understood, and you can understand now the end of the story also. You understood whole story. Yes, I know, definitely you will understand because you also like butterfly and you also want them to live in freedom. Okay, like us, we are living in freedom, they also want to live in freedom. So enjoy this story, listen it again and again to try and understand, and write your answers properly in your worksheets. Till then, Stay safe. Jai Hind and